guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my cup of coffee and getting ready to go out with my husband today. Skin is already prepped, my hair is prepped, and I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee and then begin with the makeup and show you guys how I create the look and all. Makeup is gonna be extremely simple and natural because it's a casual outing, so yeah. I totally forgot to light the candle earlier. Now it's lit. By the way, you guys always ask me about my nail polish color. So I'm wearing this beautiful toffee-ish kind of a shade. Looks very pretty. And this is the Deep Bell Gel Nail Lacquer. And this is in the shade Toffee Rose. It's a beautiful toffee brown kind of a color. It's kind of like a blush toned brown. It's very pretty. So anyways, I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee for a bit and then gonna begin with the makeup shortly. I wanted to share something with you guys, not sponsored at all. I got it with my own money. So I got this Wakao milk chocolate from Amazon recently. This one has no added sugar, which is amazing because I'm trying to lose weight. I've lost some weight, touch wood, which is good. So yeah, I really love chocolates and I wanted my chocolate to have no sugar and search for a bit on Amazon, and this is very yummy, by the way. Just gonna have a little bit, so much. It's really yummy. It's very similar to dairy milk. If you like dairy milk chocolates, just wanted to share it with you guys in case you're looking for no added sugar chocolates for you. It's very good. It's from this brand called Wakao.
So let's begin with the makeup. As usual, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the M.A.C Eyebrow Definer Kit, taking that medium dark brown shade to fill in any gaps and keeping my eyebrows super natural and very casual, like I mentioned. So yeah, that's what I did. And I'm going to use one of my favorite primers. This is the MAC Studio Fix primer. So I'm just applying that sort of on the main areas of the face. Just use my fingertips to blend out the primer. This fills in the pores and also really helps in controlling the oil secretion from the skin, which is perfect for my oily skin. Then I'm going to take the K-Beauty Liquid Concealer in 185N, which is a close match to my skin tone, and just applying it wherever I want to conceal the hyperpigmentation. So I'm just applying the concealer on those areas, and before blending I'm going to take the Revolution Super Fix setting mist and just going to spray that on my entire face so that the makeup stays in place and also the product blends better. And just gonna blend everything out slowly and gently, and that way all of the hyperpigmentation is gonna be concealed but not look very artificial at the same time because the layer is very thin. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of foundation, for which I'm using my current favorite Revolution Supermatte foundation in 12.5. Just took a tiny amount, like I mentioned, and just evening out my skin tone without masking my face up and just keeping everything very natural. Then to highlight a bit under my eyes, I'm taking the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced in the shade Golden and just applying just 2 dots under my eyes and also on top of my eyelids, and gonna blend it out using my PAC 219 concealer blending brush. And this was slightly lighter than what I wanted, but it's okay. That's how the concealer went on. Then for blusher, I'm taking this new blusher from Revolution. This is their Super Dewy blush in the shade Blushing Brunette, I think. I'll put the exact shade name in the description box, but it's a very beautiful earthy brownie mauvey sort of a shade. I love this one. So I just applied it on my cheeks as well as on top of my eyelids as a soft wash of color and blended it out. To set my base, I'm using the Revolution Super Matte HD powder. This is the shade Banana. And before setting, I'm just going to remove any creases and use my powder puff to bake underneath my eyes, on top of my eyelids, and also around the mouth area, especially on the smile lines where I tend to crease up a lot. And then I'm going to take some more powder to set the inner cheek area where the oil secretion is most on my skin and also on the forehead, and whatever is left I'm just gonna apply it on the perimeters of my face and just gonna wait for a couple of seconds and then brush everything away using this Rene Cosmetics blush brush. And yeah, that's how I set my base. To add a bit of definition, I'm going to take this new Eba Must Have palette. I love this palette because it has a really deep shade of contour, blush as well as highlight. So I'm taking the contour first on a blending brush and just applying that on the entire eyelid and my crease, just making sure contour is well blended. And as you can see, this contour is a much darker shade, which I really appreciate. So yeah, and just whatever product is left, I'm just gonna define the nose and also defining my lower lip like so to make my lips more pouty. And finally I'm gonna take a contour brush to slightly contour the cheekbones and also my jawline and a little bit on the forehead as well. You just need the tiniest bit of this product and it does the job so beautifully. Now I'm going to take the blusher just a tad bit because we already have a cream blusher going on, just applying that to the apples of the cheeks and taking it up until the temple and a little bit on the nose and chin as well. I'm gonna pick up this rosy pink highlighter from the same palette and just adding a touch of highlight to the tops of the cheekbones because I didn't wanna make my skin extremely glowy because I have an oily skin type, and also highlighting the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and also the inner corners of the eyes and my brow bone. Next, I'm gonna do a very fun thing on my eyes, which is creating a negative eyeliner. So I took the same Too Faced Born This Way concealer on a very thin liner brush from Cuffs and Lashes and just started to create my negative eyeliner slowly and gently. You have to be very careful with this step when you do it. And once that is done, I'm just going to take the same loose powder that I used to bake on my powder puff and just set the concealer in place so that it doesn't crease and smudge and all of that. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm just taking my Macstack mascara and adding several coats of this mascara to my top lashes mainly, and then just gonna define my lower lashes very softly and gently because these days I'm keeping my lower lashes super simple. So yeah, that's what I did. To line my lips, I'm taking the Relove lip liner from Revolution in the shade Wonder, which is a dark brown shade, so just use that to slightly overdraw my lips. And for lip gloss, I'm taking this LA Girl Glossy Plumping lip gloss in a very beautiful mauvey sort of a shade. Put the exact shade name in the description, but I really enjoyed using this product. It's a very tingly and plumping kind of a product and also adds a lot of glossiness to the lips. So yeah, that's what I applied for the lip color. And that is the makeup look complete. So I'm just going to lock everything in place using the Revolution So Perfect setting mist once again. I love the setting mist during summers because it just helps the makeup to just stay put. I really love it. So guys, the makeup is done. Currently wearing my shorts. So I'm just gonna go change, sort out the hair and get back to show you the full look. So then I just went off camera and put on my earrings as well. It's kind of like a statement earring, and removed the velcro rollers from my hair, and it just gave me a lot of bounce in the hair. And also adding my accessories like my watch and my bracelet, and using my current favorite perfume. This is the YSL Libre Intense, which I got as a birthday gift to myself, and I've been really loving it. So I'm just using that perfume all over my body to make me smell really fresh and nice. And that is the finished look that I wore for my dinner date with my husband. Kept it super simple with a little bit of a twist. So yeah. So that's how the makeup look has turned out. Pretty natural with just a little oomph with that negative eyeliner that I created. And yeah, look at the hair. It looks bouncy with the velcro roller and everything. I really like it. Very simple and put together yet casual. So that's the finished look. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So that is the outfit. This top I got from Lifestyle, I guess, and this is from Sassafras from Myntra, and I really like it. It's quite simple and nice and perfect for a casual dinner date.
Call Akash Byju's Chennai at 1.
அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. He knows.